this video, we're going to show you how to replace the power steering cooler on your Dodge Ram, located right in front of your radiator. On the bottom side here, you want to go ahead and use your pliers. I'm going to loosen up these clamps here, slide these back. Now we do have a catch can underneath. You want to be able to have a bucket or something to catch the power steering fluid that is going to run out of these. I'm going to go ahead and pull our hose off here. Now we're not going to have a lot of fluid on our end here because our pipe was broken and we already leaked out most of the fluid itself, and we can actually see here it just broke off. You'll have quite a bit more fluid coming out if you didn't already have a leak. I'm going to go ahead and remove this hose now. We're going to use a 12mm wrench and ratchet. We're going to go ahead and loosen and remove this bolt right here. Looks like our bolts might have been replaced before, so ours is a 12, yours might be something different. I'm going to go ahead and remove that bolt. I'm going to repeat for the other side. Now for clearance purposes, we just switched over to a 1/4-inch ratchet. Get in there. Go and work that unit out and set it aside. Get liner unit back up here. I'm going to go ahead and pop off these caps right here. And we'll go ahead and install our hoses. Move your hose clamps up into position. Go ahead and secure those. I'm going to wipe this down. Once you're all cleaned up down here, you can go up top and we're going to fill up that fluid. Now at this point here, I want to go ahead and locate our power steering reservoir cap right here. I'm going to spin that off. You want to go ahead and get the proper fluid that is recommended by Dodge for this here. So what we're going to do is we're going to add the appropriate amount of fluid to get it up to the fill cold. Before we start up the vehicle, I'm going to go ahead and jack up the front. We're going to turn the key to the on position and cycle the steering wheel all the way to the right, all the way to the left, and try and get this fluid working through our system to prevent any air bubbles from being stuck in there. Once that happens, we'll go ahead and start up the vehicle. Continue to do that and work the bubbles out. Any noise or whining noises should go away almost immediately. If not, go ahead, shut down the vehicle, check your fluid level, and you're going to continue this process. Make sure that you have the proper amount of fluid in here. Go ahead and pop in your funnel, make sure that's clean. And we'll go ahead and start adding that fluid. Once your fluid is filled up, go ahead and secure that cap and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.